Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, residents of West Kingston are upset about the killing of a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force last night.
Corporal Oliver Mullings was attached to the Denhamton Police Station. Jamila Maitland has our story.
Scores of officers from across the West Kingston Police Division gathered at the Denhamton Police Station to pay their respects to Corporal Oliver Mullings, who was murdered Thursday night in Trenchtown. Among the lawmen were National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang and representatives from the Police High Command. Dr. Chang says it's been an emotional week for the officers and their families.
It was only yesterday I said we were in what you call in downtown Frog City. And I can't help but go back to the state of young Constable Martin's mother. She's a total broke woman. To the entire family of the two police officers and my senior officer from the Ministry of National Security, I can only say extend on behalf of the government our sincere condolences.
Corporal Mullings served as a police officer for 19 years. He was a member of the operations team at the Denhamton Police Station. He's been there for 9 years. Head of the station, SSP Michael Phipps, described him as a favorite among residents.
Despite the fact that he is the community and is oftentimes involved with community intervention projects and so on. As such, he is well loved right across the community.
The Member of Parliament and leader of the opposition, Mark Golding, is also condemning the killing. TVJ News visited Trenchtown where the incident took place. Residents who didn't want to speak on camera told us that they were angry at the officer's death.
You can express yourself. Not lie, the officer don't deserve that. They deserve it, I swear. The real police in the community and all that try to make everybody feel good and respectful and everything.
One of the alleged shooters was also killed in the attack by officers. He's been identified as Oni Fletcher, and hours later, another man identified as Alton Dunn, otherwise called Gogo, was killed by lawmen. According to the police, they received reports that armed men were attempting to silence a witness when they were called.
The early information is suggesting that these men were there to target a crown witness who was scheduled to give evidence in court. As a result of that, the officers, in their quest to save life, went in search of those gunmen, and he was tragically taken out.
SSP Phipps, while not mentioning names, says the police are following strong leads, and in the meantime, they're also encouraging those with information to contact the lawmen. Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.